What is with me now? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's have a look what is with me. OGA 1.0 silver, OGA 1.0 orange, OGA 1.0 black, and last, OGA 1.0 green. What means by OGA? OGA is Odroid Go Advance. So let's unboxing it and see what is inside. Yeah, we have our green metal cell case. Come with screws and two from the black color metal cell case, a shiny orange metal cell case, and our silver color metal cell case. Let's put aside of those boxes. This is the front view of the case, the back view of the case. Let's have a look inside of the case. Actually, this is almost one-to-one copy from the original plastic cell case, except the back cell case, they remove the bracket or the holder for the battery. So this case, you can upgrade your battery to higher amp capacity battery. So let's get started. I will show how to fix assembly the metal cell case with OGA 1.0 logic board. To make it short and simple, I really remove my board, my logic board, all of my part needed from my old OGA. So this is the part that we need for the metal cell case: a logic board, a speaker, a screen display, ABXY button, power button, those rubber pad that we need, L and R button, D-pad. I will upgrade my battery to 4000 mAh battery. The foam and the screw is come with the metal cell case. And last, I will upgrade it to 2.5D polished glass lens. I will see which one is more better, the black one or silver. Actually, the whole process to fix the metal cell case for OGA is almost same like plastic version. The only thing that we need to do additional is this from. We need to stick it to the board. For battery, just use a thin double-sided tape to stick it to the back case. Four back screw for back cover. For this, I will go with the black cover screen lamp. And this is the final. It does look better than original plastic version. This is ozone metal cell case. This is ozone metal cell case. Which one you think is better? The original one-to-one copy or the redesigned ozone metal version? That's it for this video. Hope you enjoy it. See you on next video. Bye bye.